Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking recipe for today. Some brown stew turkey neck. So I'm gonna show you how I prepare my recipe. See plantain there, turkey neck, rice and peas. Here another preview them peeps. So see all of my ingredients are vinegar, seasoned Irish, barbecue sauce, ketchup, onion, scallion. See turkey neck the way strip off and things. See the coconut juice blown up and things them peeps. Yeah, see the peas there boil and thing. Preview recipe, so please like and share. So starting by washing the turkey neck in the vinegar, so I strip them off and thing them peeps. Yeah, add some running water and it along peeps. Starting by washing it with some running water. Remember to please wash your turkey neck good with vinegar water and strip off of them peeps. Yeah, starting by seasoning it, add some garlic, onion, scallion and pepper and thyme. Yes, my peeps, I have some seasoning now on it. Also, I have some more Maggi seasoning, sprinkle same on it. So people starting by sprinkling some more Maggi seasoning on it, peeps, yeah, you can see. So it's a recipe of eatable, tasteable, delicious. Also, I have some Maggi all purpose to it, same with peeps, you can see. All that spice and thing, Maggi all purpose, so don't know. Recipe here, please like and share. Add some brown into it, so I show you the recipe step by step, my peeps. Grab some coffee, some member, brown stew, turkey neck. So I'm starting by roast my turkey neck with my hand on my peeps. So my hand I use, I don't really want no gloves. Here my peeps, you can see. So recipe I got eatable, tasteable, delicious, finger licking. Please to subscribe Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. People starting by adding some scallion, garlic, some coffee to the pot, and see the turkey neck there. So make the turkey neck go and stir fry for 25 minutes for peeps, yeah. So I will lock the pot now to go and stir fry. Here my peeps, so I go on there. Another update, the seasoning well cut up and spice, cut up and thing my peeps. Remember the brown stew turkey neck for eatable, tasteable. Starting by turning it up so you can stir fry for 20 minutes my peeps, yeah. The recipe I got eatable, delicious. Yes guys, so lucky if you go on stir fry the peas, not out there on the peas there then peeps, see all like green teas and cut up and thing there, yeah. Another update on the rice and peas. I'm going to season rice and peas pot now. Starting by adding some coconut juice to it, yes for peeps, you can see. Next step now, add some scallion, thyme and pepper to it. I'm going to add some seasoning to flavor it, my peeps. You can see some seasoning to flavor it. Some sugar taste. Yeah, my peeps, another update on the turkey neck there. Peeps, so that delicious, eatable, finger licking, tasteable presentation. Yes, my peeps, remember stew, turkey neck, my peeps, yeah. So make that one next 10 more minutes, my peeps. It's another update again there, yes my peeps. Recipe I got nice, eatable guys. Please like and share. So recipe are delicious, eatable, tasteable. Turkey tender. So lock it back my peeps if you want to stay for another minute, yeah. Another update, so I gotta add some water to it, my peeps. Make it go and cook some more, because we have to cook it till it gets soft. Yes my peeps. So I got add it turkey neck and I got add it up, I got spice it up and things. See turkey neck cook and soft my peeps, you can see. So please make a turkey neck cook before. So add your seasoning to the rice and peas pot, you know. Cook down and things peeps, yeah. So I got add the rice to the pot now. You can see boil on to custard, you can see how far the boil on this custard, rice and peas are gone nice. You can see the wool of the custard that the rice and peas, my peeps. Yeah, see there, custard, see there. Yes, my peeps, when I put no butter on, I just natural coconut boil down. Like the first time this, the custard on the pot there. So I pick up, remove what the thyme stick out of it and the scallion. I stir up rice and peas, because you have to stir rice and peas because it will burn. So I show you roll of the recipe, step by step, how I prepare my recipe. Yes, I add my Irish and my carrot and some chopped scallion. So I add some barbecue sauce and some thyme. Add some ketchup also to flavor it. So the recipe I got nice, remember, stew. Do turkey neck, eatable, some more seasoning to flavor, taste. Recipe go and cook for another 15 minutes, eat another update again. So we started by stir up my recipe and thing. You can see what are the spice them and thing with peeps here. So that's two turkey neck I got nice, eatable, tastable, delicious. Finger licking another update and rice and peas with peeps. So the rice and peas that you go and steam out. Peeps, remember to like and share another update and turkey neck there again. Yes, my peeps, the recipe I got eatable, tastable, presentation. I say look delicious in the pot. Right, I'm out there around the water, my peeps. You know the recipe is ready. I have the next 10 more minutes night, peeps, right? Guys, please to like and share. See the gravy there to go down. So I'll give you the next 10 more minutes, my peeps. I want to come right down. Please like and share. Remember, Jamaican lumberjack I represent. 7 times rise, 7 times fall. When I believe in the falling thing. You got a sexy body girl and you got a true warrior. Big up Father God first and everything. See plantain there, fry and crystal brown my peeps. Remember for like and share. So recipe I got nice, eatable guys. Please like and share. Can't be total no. Alright my peeps. So recipe take 90 minutes. The rice and peas and turkey neck peeps. See the turkey neck ready there. I see the turkey neck ready and thing there. Well cooked and tastable presentation of the plate, eatable, delicious. You can see the whole of the spice into the gravy thick up and thing them peeps. So you know it's a recipe here. Ready to eat, delicious, finger licking, tastable. So the rice and peas and peeps. Presentation of the pot. Another update on rice and peas again. So you can cook and ready my peeps, ready to eat. Please to like and share. See recipe, the presentation, rice and peas and the plantain, see turkey, the well presentation of the plate, pretty eatable, delicious, finger licking, tastable. Please like and share and subscribe, please, and thanks.